Hi, let me show you how to use your iPlay HydroBlast from Verimark. So the iPlay HydroBlast actually works as a automatic gun. With just a press of a trigger, if you continue leaving your finger there on the trigger, it gives you continuous shooting. If you want to charge your battery, let's say your battery is out, you simply remove your battery. It comes with a USB charging cable. You simply attach your cable into the gun. Now, while your battery is charging, the fun continues because you can continue shooting the gun manually. Now, this is what I like about the iPlay HydroBlast. When you are done, refilling the water is as easy as 1, 2, 3. You simply tilt into a swimming pool or into any basin that's filled with water. Now push the trigger forward. Now you will notice that the iPlay HydroBlast starts sucking the water into the water tank. You will notice the water tank filling up. How much water must you put in there? The gun will talk to you. You will see on top of the gun, it will start shooting out the water the minute there is enough water into the gun. Now, in no time, you're going to see that. There you go. When it starts shooting the water there, that means your water is full. Now the fun continues. You can also go into your pool, submerge your gun up to this level into your pool where it's going to refill into this hole, or you can get a bottle. You can go as high as you want in terms of liters, as long as your bottle can screw in here. So you can screw in 500 mils, you can screw in 1.5, you can screw in 2 liters. This gives you an advantage when playing with friends because you've got more ammunition than anyone else. This is your HydroBlast from Verimark.